Kia ora. Welcome back to Te Reo Māori for beginners. Pronunciation lesson number 2, the Maori alphabet. Hey, there are 8 consonants and 2 digraphs in Te Reo Māori. H, K, M, N, P, T, W, R, N, G, and W, H. In this lesson, we're going to leave out the R, N, G, and W, H, and we will cover these in the next session. For now though, let's add the long R vowel sound and the short R vowel sound to our 7 consonants. Ha, ka, ma, na, pa, ta, wa. Ha, ka, ma, na, pa, ta, wa. All right, let's do the same then with the e. He, ke, me, ne, pe, te, we. He, ke, me, ne, pe, te, we. Ka pai. So let's move on then, and we'll add in the E vowel sound. He, ki, mi, ni, pi, ti, we. He, ki, mi, ni, pi, ti, we. Ka pai, keep it going whānau. Let's move on to the O vowel sound. Ho, ko, mo, no, po, to, wo. Ho, ko, mo, no, po, to, wo. Kia ora. All right then, let's add in the U. Hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, tu, wu. Hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, tu, wu. Kia ora. Well done, whānau. Let's have a little review then by adding the vowel sounds to each of those consonants. Here we go. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ka pai whānau, if you get a chance, try it with the long vowel sounds.